Here we come to the elevator at the Bluebell Creameries ice cream shop in Brenham, Texas. I'm sure you guys remember this elevator I've recorded back in late 2021. I want to get a much more updated and better take on this one. It's a ThyssenKrupp from 2011. Last time I came here with a group of friends, I was going on a church retreat. So I was a little bit rushed the last time. I love the murals. What do you guys think of the murals? I love the opening. They really, they did a great job painting the elevator lobby. There's music playing up here, so let's close it up quick. Go for one more ride. Notice that some of the buttons were replaced. Probably because most people push these buttons a lot more than the door open, door close. And this starts with a bump. Starts with a big jolt. Let's get one last cab view. The elevator is just basic, but look at the outside of it. See, look at this mural right here. Look at this mural. This is amazing. I want to get a much more better video in 4K mode. See, look at that. Isn't this beautiful? So good. I'm so glad I finally got a much more better revisit of this place. So with that being said, hope you guys enjoyed. Thanks for watching. That'll be it.